Have you ever wondered how your phone predicts the next word you're going to type? Or how Netflix seems to know exactly which show to recommend? That, my friends, is the magic of AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is changing our world in incredible ways, from healthcare to transportation. It might seem complex, but at its core, AI is about making machines smarter. In this video, we'll break down the basics of AI, explore how it works, and discover its impact on our daily lives. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of this game-changing technology. So, what exactly artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that can think and act like humans. Imagine a computer program that can understand language, solve problems, and even learn from its mistakes. That's the essence of AI. The ultimate goal of AI is to create machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. From recognizing faces to driving cars, AI is pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. AI relies on something called algorithms, which are basically sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do. These algorithms are meticulously crafted by computer scientists and engineers who spend countless hours designing, testing, and refining them to ensure they work efficiently and accurately. Think of it like a recipe that a chef follows to bake a cake. Just as a recipe provides step-by-step instructions to create a delicious dish, an algorithm provides a sequence of steps for a computer to solve a problem or perform a task. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to handle a specific task or a narrow range of tasks. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like playing chess or filtering spam emails. It excels in these areas, but cannot perform tasks outside its designated functions. It's what we see in most AI applications today. From voice assistants on our smartphones to automated customer service bots, narrow AI is integrated into many aspects of our daily lives. General AI, on the other hand, is a type of AI that would have the ability to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This means it could potentially think, reason, and make decisions just like a human. It's the stuff of science fiction movies, but it's something that researchers are actively working towards. The development of general AI could revolutionize many fields, from healthcare to education, and even how we interact with technology on a daily basis. Machine learning, the fuel behind AI's evolution. One of the key ingredients that makes AI so powerful is machine learning. This technology is the backbone of many AI systems, providing the capability for machines to learn from data and make decisions. This is a type of AI that allows computers to learn and improve without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following a set of predefined rules, machine learning algorithms identify patterns in data and use these patterns to make predictions or decisions. Imagine showing a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. The machine learning model analyzes these images, learning the unique features that distinguish a cat from a dog. With machine learning, the computer can start to recognize the patterns and differences between the two animals. Over time, it becomes more accurate in its identification. Even with new and unseen images, it's like teaching a child to ride a bike. With practice, they get better over time. The more data the machine learning model is exposed to, the more refined and precise its predictions become. Machine learning is used in a wide range of AI applications, from facial recognition software to self-driving cars. These systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively and safely. It's what enables AI systems to adapt to new information and become more accurate over time. As new data is introduced, the machine learning models update and improve, ensuring that the AI remains relevant and effective in a constantly changing environment. AI around us, everyday encounters with artificial intelligence. You might not realize it, but AI is already all around us, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, you're interacting with AI in countless ways. It starts with your smartphone alarm, which uses AI to optimize your wake-up time based on your sleep patterns. Ever asked Siri or Alexa to set an alarm or play your favorite song? That's AI in action. These virtual assistants use natural language processing to understand and respond to your commands. How about those personalized recommendations you get on Amazon or Netflix? Yep, that's AI too. These platforms analyze your viewing and shopping habits to suggest content and products you might like. Even the social media algorithms that decide which posts you see in your feed are powered by AI. They analyze your interactions to show you the most relevant content. AI is also being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in surgeries. It's revolutionizing the way we approach medical care. In finance, AI helps detect fraud by analyzing transaction patterns and flagging unusual activities. It also assists in making investment decisions by predicting market trends. And in transportation, AI powers self-driving cars, making our roads safer and more efficient. These vehicles use complex algorithms to navigate and respond to their surroundings in real time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos on the AI revolution.